Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this question we have to compare these two numbers, which is the number a equal to square root of c plus 1 minus square root of c, and b equal to square root of c minus square root of c minus 1 for any number which is c is greater or equal to 1. And this question is from Canada Math Olympiad in 1969. If you want to give a try, push the video, and if you are ready, please keep watching. So now I'm going to solve it for you. And the trick is very simple for solving this question. Okay, so we got a square root of c plus 1 minus square root of c. So the trick is we need to multiply this number with the conjugate, which means we got square root of c plus 1 minus square root of c, and the conjugate of this expression will be square root of c plus 1 and then plus with square root of c. So why do we have to multiply with the conjugate? Because we have to make this number in the form of fraction. So then for the denominator, we also multiply with square root of c plus 1 and then plus square root of c to make it balanced. Okay, so then we will get square root of c plus 1 raised to square minus square root of c raised to square over square root of c plus 1 plus square root of c. Okay, and then we will get c plus 1 minus c over c plus 1 and plus square root of c, and then we will get 1 over square root of c plus 1 plus square root of c. Okay, so leave it now and let's look at the number b. So b, which is equal to square root of c minus square root of c minus 1. And we do the same thing, we also have to multiply this number with the conjugate. So then we will get square root of c minus square root of c minus 1 multiply with the conjugate of this number will be square root of c plus square root of c minus 1. Okay, and then we have to divide this number by square root of c plus square root of c minus 1. Now for the numerator, we'll get square root of c raised to square minus square root of c minus 1 raised to square over square root of c plus square root of c minus 1. Then we will get c minus c and then plus 1 over square root of c plus c minus 1, and then we will get 1 over square root of c plus square root of c minus 1. Okay, so now I want you to look at the number a and b. So we have to summarize it again. A, which is equal to 1, and then square root of c plus 1 plus square root of c, and b, we got 1 over square root of c plus c minus 1. Okay, so now why do I have to make this number into a fraction like this? I want you to look at the example when we have 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. So which number is greater than? So 1/2 is greater than 1/3. Okay, so now I want you to see that we have the same numerator, but the denominator here, this one is greater than this one. So then we will get this fraction here is smaller than this fraction. Okay, all right, so now that means a is less than b. Okay, so we got therefore a, which is equal to square root of c plus 1 minus square root of c, which is less than b. Okay, and b, which is square root of c minus square root of c minus 1. Okay, now I have already solved this problem and I hope you can understand. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comment, please comment, and goodbye. See you in the next video.